Oh, hello guys! Today we are now at the garbage area, or we're now gonna be a garbage company. We're gonna collect house to house the trash kung may basura sila or wala. I mean, tayo company guys. Tutulungan natin. Tutulungan natin, what? Tutulungan! No way! Bro, we're almost full. Trust me. Dito, may tayo isang bahay dito. Yun, sabihin natin kung may basura sila. Gandang bahay niya. Ayun, may bahay sa... may bahay sa ano. Hello, do you have trash? Do you have trash? I'm a garbage collector. Oh, I forgot because you don't know me. Okay guys, we have a killer in the loose. I'm a garbage, yan. You have trash? Okay, yep, he don't care. Ibang bahay na tayo guys. Doon tayo sa south. Okay, these guys never talk. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Okay. Bro, you broke my... Okay, there. Uy, agency. Landling, ay. Ouch. Oh my lord. We have a trash can, bro. Is the owner there? Okay. Oh, this one too. Okay, dami. Hello sir. Are you the owner of this home? Can you tell me if you own this home, sir? To be clarified, because or else I can collect your trust, because I need the clarification of that. Oh yes, sir. Okay, sir. I will collect your trust, okay? Don't worry. Okay, ito guys. Dito ang madami guys. Okay, let's go. Collecting, okay. Put it there. One here, boom. One here, okay. Okay, dami guys. Now just keep cleaning there, okay. Dami, okay. Okay, guys, the last box of the day. Let's go. Okay, last box of the day. Boom. We're done. Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay na mga basura ninyo. Okay, guys. Punta na tayo sa station kasi puno na ang ating basura. Or truck natin. Puno na ng basura. Okay. Let's go. Okay, guys. Meron tayong truck dito. Ayan. Okay. Oh no. Please kasaba. Kung tagyan kasi sakto. Okay. Wait a minute. Blah, okay, and boom. Dami guys. Okay guys. Okay guys, the last box. Okay, let's go. Yeah, okay, look. Wow. Ang daming trash. Guys, ang daming basura. Okay, punta tayo sa iba. Wait. Slowly. I'm lagging so much. The truck is stuck. Oh no! Is my truck stuck? No, wait. Dadaan sa kabila. Oh no, litang daanan. No! Okay guys, pwede tayo daan dito guys yung kasya. Okay. Yes. No, okay guys, let's use this one. Okay. Okay, oh, yeah, seriously, sorry guys. I don't know if this is a garbage situation or is this a glitching situation. Okay. Turn. Oh, no, turn. Okay, open the door, guys. Open the door. Diyan tayo dadaan. No, kasabang truck. No, sobra. Okay, guys, done. Go. Exit the truck. Exit. Yes! In-exit na natin sa truck na yun. Okay, di natin guys skip. Okay. Tara na, Mamma Mia. Okay, guys. Let's go find the thing. Okay, guys. Guys, mag-food trip muna tayo, guys, while waiting sa basura. Food trip muna tayo, guys, okay? See you and then enjoy the music.
All is said and done. I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. And I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out,
Okay. We're done, guys. Okay, guys. Let's go find the last trash and then we're done. It's like we did like five collecting, right? Every house. Okay, what the? Is that invincible glass? Okay, guys. Oh, wait. We have a basura. Let's go park it properly. Let's go park it properly because I need the trash can. Oh, maybe that's a security. Here, okay, don't worry, okay. Hi, sir, don't worry, sir. We'll collect it. Let's go collect again. What did we did? 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. Okay, guys. Okay, then that's one. And wait. Bang, bang, boom, boom, zinga, boom, bataru, shika, boom, Okay, guys, the last box is complete, guys. We're done. No way. So tell me we did it. Okay, guys. Welcome so much. We did our business to you. Okay, guys, we're done. Let's go back. Bye. Okay, our trash can is no. Okay. Guys, I don't know if this kind will be a trash can collector or trash can falling down. Okay, guys, let's go moving. Okay. Magtuloy na tayo, guys, kasi we're done. I was very thinking because, guys, I seen the my YouTube has got 16 views, guys. Thank you guys so much for your supporting. I'm very proud of you guys. Thank you so much. Keep subscribing, guys. It very help me out. Okay, the last trash is right here. Okay, we have a truck there again. Okay. Kanina kasi okay, guys, labas natin lang to. Okay, guys, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go through our vanilla. There. Okay. That's one and done. Okay, guys. We're done of to this collecting, we can just park our car right outside for ready for tomorrow. Okay guys, light off. Okay guys, now let's go off. Let's go close all the doors para malaman na nila that we are closed. There you go. Okay. That's all for the video guys. If you like my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this with your friend. And thank you guys. Road to 100.